Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to create Roblox games on mobile. Creating Roblox games on mobile allows you to design, customize, and share your own experiences directly from your phone without needing a PC. While the mobile version has some limitations compared to Roblox Studio on desktop, it still lets you build games, set themes, and invite friends to play. This makes it easy for beginners and casual creators to start designing games anytime, anywhere. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. In the bottom right corner, tap on More. Scroll down and find the Create option. Select the Create option and tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner. Here, choose Creations by tapping on them. You will find Untitled Games and tap on the one you want to select. It will give you an alert that this experience is not playable because it has a content maturity label. If you want to continue, tap on View Questionnaire. Scroll down and hit the Resume button. It will give you the question, and you have to answer that by marking a dot on one option. Then, tap on Save and Continue, and it will take you to the other question. If it asks you about depict, reference, or encourage crude humor in your experience, you can mark a dot on No. You can mark No on the question asking if it contains any unplayable, gambling content. Mark a dot on Yes for the primary theme or activity of experiencing a social hangout. Similarly, you can answer further questions. After answering all the questions, hit the Submit button. It will submit your questionnaires. Following that, hit the Resume button. You can get started by inviting users to play, getting users to the fun quickly, and making regular updates. Now go back and tap on your game. Here, select the View on Roblox option. Lastly, it will show you the game and you can start playing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.